I'm going to show you how to download Brave browser in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So you can use any of the browser that you want to download the Brave browser. So Safari is automatically downloaded in your MacBook system. So I'm just going to choose Safari, which should be right here in your docs. Just go ahead and tap here, and now just type in Brave browser download and enter it. So it's right over here. Just choose this option right here. And now you can see this option that says Get Brave for Mac OS. Just go ahead and tap here and tap on Allow. And as you can see, your Brave browser is being downloaded. Just wait for it to get downloaded and you can find it in your Finder. After it gets downloaded, you just need to run the installer and import settings. If you're having a problem downloading it, then you may need to click it here again and it'll try to re-download it. So after it gets downloaded, as you can see, it has been downloaded. Just go ahead and press here. Now all you need to do is hold this, press this and hold this, and now drag it here, and that should do it. Now it's copying Brave browser to applications, and now just go ahead and tap on your launchpad right here, and now you can find Brave browser right over here. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you can use it. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.